Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are playing some Teardown. Now, I've played a lot of Teardown, a lot. Made my game crash a couple of times, and yeah. Look, okay, the reason I've chosen this one is because it's the only one with a jacket on and a bandana. Alright, the others are army and things. There's so many of them, and there's even these people. But yeah, this one is probably the best one that I could have chosen right now. We're gonna go to. I don't know if we should go into the mod area and do some destruction in there in one of these, or what? Let's go to. I know Mod Pack 5 has just come out, like not that long ago, but yeah, because I've got God mode, which basically just makes you invincible. Play. Might as well press play, see what happens. Everything revolver. What? I've used all of these, but I don't know what some of them do because I've just downloaded them. Flight. Nothing under the map. That's good. Okay. Hold up. Yeah. That's my favourite one, actually. Oh, okay. Look. Hold up. I'm gonna da. I just met. Oh. Actually, nearly killed me. Look at me. I'm dead. They killed the wolf. I'm a lone wolf. Right. I really need to stop hitting my head and things. I got the time stick still. I love the time stick. Look, you see that? Gone. I can make every. Oh! When I said I can make my game break, I meant it. Look at that. Oh, look how fast that went. Oh, my frame rates are going down. I can. Wait. If I prune that, can I just stop pruning at any time? Wait, hold up. Oh, wait. How do I shoot? Oh, I'm pretty sure this breaks vehicles. Ow! Why is it always me? I've turned into Neville from Harry Potter. I'm rich. Right. Why is it breaking things? I can't get through now the door. Oh wait a second. There's one little thing. Let's just place 1, 2, 3. Duck. What's this? Oh yeah. Wait, black hole. Starting off strong. Wait, hold up, is that a railgun? I'm gonna go with the most dangerous stuff ever. Bouncy pad? Charge. C4. Time. How does time? Acid. Record. Punch. Levitation. And duck. Eh. Fire? What the hell have I just created? What the hell? Fire. And time to create the black hole. Oh, that was a bad idea. Wait, hold up. My frame rate just dropped. Hold on, what if I grabbed an army of black holes? Black hole. Oh. Now. Well, I could change the look of the gun. Hold shoe. Fire. Oh, my frame rate. You guys might not be able to tell, but my frame rate is dropping. Okay, I'm quitting this level. We've done a lot of destruction in that level. See, I think I broke the game. Yeah. Yeah, basically the video is not ending until I destroy wait, what? Emergency ragdoll. Oh, the bug will see this. What if I remove the feet? And the head? Basically, what if I remove them entirely? Oh. What happens if I hit them? Do they not care? Or wait, what? Bunker, but oh. What if I abort the strike? Confirm. Where's the bunker buster? You call that a bunker buster? I call that a nuke. I call that a nuke. So basically, guided missile is probably one of my favorites. Fire. blew up. Oh my god. These ragdolls actually can get hurt. They're not invincible. That means... Can I shoot his leg up? There is actual blood, look. Okay, I just wanted to see what that was all about in there. So, yeah. See, I found a Hello Neighbor game on Roblox that I did try and play it, like, earlier. But, yeah, it did not work for a video, so, because I lost the key, and I tried again, it wouldn't do it, so, yeah, so we're here on teardown. Who knows, if you guys like it, I might do more. French Town 2. Well, if I spawned a couple of civilians, boom. I'm bringing a bunker buster with me. Takes a while because I've got 56 more mods on here. So it's going through all the mods. Or I broke it. Either way. Huh? Okay, good. Time stick. I've stopped it. No. What the? Wingardium Leviosa. Maybe I did the wrong spell. I'm flooding. Hold up, reset. Lightning bar. Well, we've got Twin North Pines Mall. It's actually Twin Pines Mall. I'm in Siberia. So, yeah. Got a lot of things to do. And see, because I've not been here before. It's just loading. Waiting for it to load. See, 56 mods takes a long time. Siberia. Well, now I'm gonna break into here. Ow. There we go. Here's my bunker buster. Change mode. Bunker buster. Direct attack. Cluster attack. I want to go cluster attack. But in here. Yep. Strike zone. So when do I know when the... Oh. What's a direct attack? What? Right where it is. I like the direct attack. Well, now we gotta... Oh. Where am I? Back rooms? Direct attack. Right there. Yep. Wow. My frame rates. There is no way. Also, yeah, there will be like a video next week. Will probably be like a Star Wars game or something because I missed May the 4th. So yeah. But yeah. Next year I will be doing a May the 4th video. And probably some other games. There we go. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Hold up, I want to test something. See, this is me now. What? Hold up. No. Not yet, that's not what the plan. The plan is go like this, then land right on the edge. Oh, hold up. I've got an idea. Right, we're gonna go like that, and we're gonna go. There we go. Bye, guys. What? By the way, yeah, this was not a part of the ending. I thought I was just gonna fall and then respawn back up there. But now, okay. So yeah, hope to see you all in the next video. So yeah, bye. Bye, guys. Yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.